Greetings, I'm Simone Sanders Townsend, in for Stephanie Ruhle. The former president has learned when he'll go on trial in the hush money case, and new reporting says one of the special counsel's investigations may be near the end. According to the Wall Street Journal, special counsel Jack Smith is wrapping up the criminal case involving Trump's handling of classified documents. The Journal says Smith, quote, has all but finished obtaining testimony and other evidence, according to people familiar with the matter. And Trump is trying to take his case directly to the Justice Department. Today, his lawyers sent a letter to Attorney General Merrick Garland requesting a meeting to discuss the special counsel's investigation. Of course, Donald Trump is facing multiple legal challenges as he makes a third run for the White House. Today, he made a virtual appearance at a hearing in the Manhattan DA's hush money case. It was his first court appearance since pleading not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records. This afternoon, the judge told him the trial would begin on March 25th, 2024, the heart of the presidential campaign season. The judge also issued an order restricting Trump from posting about some evidence in the case. NBC legal analyst Lisa Rubin was in the courtroom.
The judge did not read the protective order to Donald Trump line for line, but definitely wanted to make sure on the record that Trump had reviewed it line for line with his lawyer and that he understood, most importantly, that it is a court order that if he violates, he risks a wide range of sanctions, including an up through criminal contempt. And Todd Blanche was very careful to say, my client believes this is an infringement of his First Amendment rights, and I have assured him, Your Honor, that was not your intent. And the judge replied, this is not a gag order. Mr. Trump's free to campaign. He's free to defend himself. What he's not free to do is violate the terms of this order.
Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg insisted the order was needed after Trump continued to publicly attack witnesses in the case. We're also following a major development in the fight over abortion access. Tonight, South Carolina's Senate voted to pass a 6-week abortion ban. The legislation now heads to Republican Governor Henry McMaster, who said he'll sign it.